Good morning and welcome to the Perivis Brief, where we bring you the key corporate updates that matter in just a few minutes. Please note that this is AI generated content and may contain factual inaccuracies. Always consult original data before making investment decisions. We will take you through the key corporate news, but before that, a word from our price action analyst.
Here is a quick look at yesterday's market action. Despite the broader market ending nearly flat, with an average move of minus 0.03%, there was notable activity beneath the surface. On the downside, Vadilal Industries and consumer staples fell over 11% on volumes more than 6 times its average. Colgate Palmolive declined more than 6%, and Indoco Remedies and healthcare dropped over 7%. In consumer discretionary, Stovecraft and Easy Trip planners both touched new 52-week lows, with Easy Trip planners now down more than 50% from its yearly high. Among gainers, garden reach shipbuilders and capital goods surged over 10% to a new 52-week high on strong volumes. Tata Tele Maharashtra in telecom and Dishman Kabojan in healthcare both advanced more than 10%. Interarch building and steel rose nearly 14%. And solar industries and chemicals climbed almost 6% to a record level. Other notable movers included VRL Logistics, Fortis Healthcare, VR Tech Wabag, PTC Industries, and Emcure Pharma, each posting gains between 5 and 9%. At the sector level, consumer staples and information technology underperformed, weighed down by declines in several large names. In contrast, chemicals, healthcare, and transportation outperformed, with multiple stocks hitting new highs. Transportation led the major sectors, with SCY and VRL Logistics both advancing. Media and entertainment also outpaced the market, highlighted by Nazara Technologies reaching a 52-week high. Heavy volume activity was seen across capital goods, healthcare, and chemicals, with several stocks trading at multiples of their typical turnover. Even in a flat market, a broad set of stocks across sectors managed to set new 52-week highs. That is it from the price action desk. Now back to the main segment.
Now let us dive into today's key corporate news. Here is a summary of what we will cover. Major earnings from FMCG, pharma, and a few others, and notable business expansions and deals. Earnings announcements. Starting with FMCG, ITC Limited reported a standalone net profit of 4,875 crores for the fourth quarter and 20,092 crores for the full year. In pharmaceuticals, Emcure Pharmaceuticals reported FY25 revenue up 18.6% year-on-year to 7,896 crores, and net profit up 63% to 264 crores. The board approved the incorporation of a new wholly owned subsidiary, Emcure Generics Private Limited. Other notable results include Deepak Fertilizers, FY25 consolidated revenue of 10,274 crores, up 18%, and net profit of 945 crores, doubling year-on-year. Dividend of 10 rupees per share. Premier Explosives, FY25 revenue of 4,175 crores, up 54%, and profit after tax of 286 crores. Order book stands at 7,500 crores. Subros, FRMI 2025, revenue of 3,368 crores, up 9.7%, and net profit of 150 crores, up 54%. Indoco Remedies, FY25 consolidated revenue of 1,641 crores, with a net loss of 74 crores. PB Fintech, FY 2025, operating revenue of 4,977 crores, up 45%, and profit after tax of 353 crores, with margins improving from 2% to 7%. On the business development front, Som Distilleries began construction of a 600 crore greenfield facility in Uttar Pradesh. Venus Pipes and Tubes started operations of a new welded tubes line, expanding total capacity to 27,600 metric tons per annum. Himadri Specialty Chemical acquired a 16.24% stake in International Battery Company in the United States for $4.43 million, entering the lithium-ion battery components segment. Tata Steel inaugurated Phase 2 expansion of its Kalinganaga plant, increasing capacity to 8 million tons per annum. Ola Electric's board approved raising up to 1,700 crores via non-convertible debentures or other debt securities. Adani Ports' board approved issuance of up to 6,000 crores in non-convertible debentures for capital expenditure and refinancing. Piramal Enterprises and Hindustan Copper will consider raising funds via bonds or debentures in upcoming board meetings. Sambardana, Motherson's board, will also consider fundraising via bonds or debentures on May 29th. That is it for today's Perivis Brief. If you found it useful, feel free to pass it along to someone who might too. See you tomorrow.